Welcome to Melarix Edge. AI could replace millions of American jobs. But is that really the whole story? Across America, artificial intelligence is transforming workplaces faster than anyone expected. Today, AI isn't just a new technology. It's becoming the engine behind America's biggest companies. The reason is simple. AI works 24 hours a day, analyzes data in seconds, and helps companies work faster than ever. For millions of Americans, AI is no longer the future. It's already changing the way they work every single day.
From customer service to data entry, AI is quietly taking over repetitive tasks across America.
But which jobs are most at risk? The answer isn't what most people expect.
Customer service, data entry, bookkeeping, and administrative work are already being transformed by artificial intelligence.
Does this mean millions of jobs will disappear forever? Not exactly. Throughout history, every major technological revolution has replaced certain jobs while creating entirely new opportunities.
While some jobs are disappearing, new careers are growing at record speed. Companies across America are hiring AI engineers and professionals who know how to work with artificial intelligence.
The biggest advantage won't belong to the smartest people. It will belong to those who keep learning. As AI evolves, skills like critical thinking, communication, and problem solving.
Not every industry is changing at the same pace. Finance, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, and logistics replacing every worker. It's changing how work gets done.
Surprisingly, many experts believe AI won't just eliminate jobs, it will also create millions of new opportunities. History shows that every created entirely new industries.
Every revolution changed the way people worked. Some jobs disappeared, but opportunities emerged. Today, AI is becoming the next chapter. It is a brand new story. Preparing for the AI era doesn't mean becoming a programmer. It means learning how to work with AI instead of competing against it. The people who adapt early will have the biggest advantage.
One thing is clear. AI won't replace people, but people who use AI will replace those who refuse to adapt. And businesses know it.
America's biggest technology companies are investing hundreds of billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. From powerful AI models to massive data centers,
the AI race is no longer just about technology. It's about economic power, global leadership, and the future of innovation.
So what should everyday Americans do? The answer isn't to fear AI, it's to understand it. Learning how to use AI as a tool could become one of the most valuable skills in the modern workplace. People who embrace AI could unlock new opportunities, while those who ignore it may to keep up. The future is shaped by the people who choose to adapt.
In the end, AI isn't just a story about machines, it's a story about people. The future belongs to those willing to learn, adapt, and grow.
Artificial intelligence will reshape the future. But one thing remains certain. The future still belongs to people who are willing to learn and adapt.
Thanks for watching Melarix Edge. Subscribe for more stories about AI, business, and the future. We'll see you in the next video.